Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Please remember the #1 rules to subscribe. I'm going to this party called Lost. Stay tuned guys. So yes guys, I had made a stop to this birthday party before I went to the actual party that I was going, which is Lost. I'm not gonna lie, the party I did shot. For me tell us it did shot, the birthday party did shot. Everybody did have fun. Everybody was lit, turned up. Guys, now it's ATL. And even though we're partying, please guys take proper precaution, okay? We under vibes, we under vibes. So you see them about to give the man champagne showers. Yeah, they get wet up before, but that time second rounds. Yes, my party was so nice. Watch the crowd, you know, watch the vibes, everybody have fun. Yo, hold them. Guys, I'm telling you, the vibes nice. Vibes nice. I'm telling you, the boss that have fun. Watch the boss and step out for them. You don't know about. Get into the next party we call Lost. Ladies, come on! How will I know if he really loves me? I say a prayer with every heartbeat. I fall in love whenever we meet. I'm asking you if you know what I'm thinking. Yo, the party did nice. Never have a nice though. Not lie. The party did nice. Guys, check out my dress. Check out my dress, guys. You know, have fun. It's nice when I could go outside and I'm not lie. I know a lot of people not going out and wish they could go out and all of that, you know. But the ATL is open, so we're having some fun. And here's it, my lockdown.
Stereo. It's a 2020. Holy. Everybody with that
Yo, me not lie, the popcorn is bad. The man say I believe in a friend killer. You see me, I do have some family with them worse than a friend killer. I'm telling you. Guys, me not gonna lie, the party I want party to talk about. You understand? It was a very good vibes, I'm not lie. I had lots and lots of fun. Let me tell you, so the party did nice, it did nice. I didn't drink any alcohol though. You know, I was smoking hookah. Careful of some of them people that out there. Yeah, the song there. I'm telling about it. Guys, remember to subscribe to my videos.
Ladies, ready?
It requires a dedication. All this love we. Hey, a long time I didn't hear the song, you know. Robert Sellers say, oh, Kenny Rogers don't. The song is bad. I'm not lie. Guys, long time I didn't hear them song, yeah. The DJ them go on good tonight, I'm not gonna lie.
Here, big face that drop Twitch.
Tell come look at you, okay. Blood clot, now what's that?
Some boy you talk about money.
Down mercy.
Father loves that. What's that?
Sunshine shot, more fun. You're the real true crime. We are shot. Can't fly. Loyalty, we're knocking on nobody back.
Remember guys, the number one rule is to subscribe to my video, like my video, share my video, tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey GOODAS. Stay tuned.
Friends like this, who needed me?
Marvin Cash, big up.
Unruly, no fear, no
evil. Touch Marina.
You listen us and take your life with. So leave me down.
All them fluffy sweets. Yes, girl. Yes, goodie. Goodie come out. Goodie run right out.
Them even know that. When them start about him, I go leave. Go give me contract. So them see the road and front to touch that. Now man know I feel out of the dog shop. Chop up son boy.
Yes,
Jimmy
party
down
just
the ring,
finished.
one true pass. See what I say? Slaughter tone.
Nice.
Cool, I see you. Hey, I'm here to not lie. Them girls that come out. Lush. Look at Nerissa. Nerissa like your outfit. Hey! Rocky. Hey, girl. But remember, food is in the kitchen. Yo, the man them went there. Make sure you go check out the kitchen. I tell you about the soup. I know the soup. The burn. Good. And then the morning. Yeah, because the NC and the easy and the champagne. And the water body go outside and vomit. And I spill out. I see it go on.
So thank you guys for watching my video. I am home now from the party. Please remember to subscribe, like, share my video, tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey GOODAS. Please click on the link in my bio to follow me on Instagram at Corey_GOODAS. On Twitter, Corey GOODAS. On Facebook at Corey GOODAS. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. I'm out. Yes guys, these are some of my videos that you can go back and watch. And please remember the number one rules to subscribe to Life with Corey GOODAS. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Bye.